Dear students, welcome to Krishna Sodhi classes. And as you all know students, we were doing tenses in our earlier classes, and today we are going to do future tense. Okay beta? In future tense, usually it is an assumption that you are predicting something, that some kind of work will be going on. So obviously you heard from me that will be going on. So that means continuity is there. Okay? When we are talking about future tense beta, it is also divided into 4 parts. Firstly, it is in simple future tense. Okay? When we are talking about simple future tense, when we are talking about present and past, there we used to take what we have used over there, do and does, and in past tense we use did over there. But when we are talking about simple future tense, over here helping verb is will and shall. Okay beta? And shall is used with I and we. Okay? And rest जो भी है, जैसे फर्स्ट पर्सन हुआ, सेकेंड पर्सन, ठीक है, उनके साथ में आप क्या यूज करेंगे बेटा? विल का यूज करेंगे, जैसे ही, शी, इट, दे. ओके, इस तरीके से आप इसका यूज करेंगे. ओके बेटा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे हम लोग एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, जैसे शी विल. ओके, क्योंकि हमने शी है, शी के साथ हमने क्या यूज करना है बच्चे? विल यूज करना है. तो हमारा जो बेसिक सेंटेंस है हम उसी को लेके चलते हैं, दैट शी प्ले चेस. ओके, शी प्लेज चेस, शी विल. ओके, आपने विल यूज किया इसके साथ में, तो इसके साथ हमेशा क्या यूज होती है बेटे? वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म. तो क्या होगा? शी विल प्ले चेस. ओके, तो ओवर हियर वी आर हैविंग द हेल्पिंग वर्ब. तो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द रूल? सब्जेक्ट plus में helping verb, it can be will and it can be shall. That is depends on the type of persons you are talking about. Then you are going to use verb first form plus में object. And when you are making negative sentences, as you all know that it is always used with helping verb. So she will not play chess. She will not play chess. And when you are making interrogative sentences, then the will come out. Okay beta? Now let's move to the second kind of tense, that is future continuous tense. Okay beta? Let's start future continuous tense. Okay, future continuous tense. Okay beta, earlier when we were doing present and past, the rules were almost the same. Okay, there was only the variations of one or two verb or the helping verb. But when we are talking about future continuous, obviously here with future we are going to use will and shall, that is the helping verb. Okay, and with continuous we are going to use verb first form plus में ing. Okay beta? Now what you are going to do to adjoin both of these, you are going to use be. Okay beta? Let's take an example to just apply on the, before applying the rule. Okay, like she will be playing chess. Okay beta? Now over here she will be, that means subject plus में helping verb plus में be plus में verb की first form plus में ing plus में object. And as you all know that how to use negative sentences over there and how to make interrogative sentences. Okay beta, like this we used to work on future continuous tense. Okay, let's move to future perfect tense. Okay, in future perfect tense beta, future perfect tense, as you all know that beta, in our earlier when we are talking about present and past, we just take in present. हमने present में क्या लिया था बेटा? हमारे पास has और have था, right? और जब हम लोग बात करते हैं past की, तो आपको पता है past में हमने क्या लिया बच्चे? had लिया हमने. जब हम has और have और had आता है, तो इसके साथ हम कौन सी फॉर्म यूज करते हैं बेटे? verb की थर्ड फॉर्म का यूज करते हैं. ठीक है बेटे? अब आपने देखा कि यहाँ पे perfect, अब आपको पता है, अब हम इसी एक एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे लेते हैं, जैसे कि अब आपको पता है कि हमने यहाँ हैज, हैव और हैड का यूज किया, लेकिन जब हम फ्यूचर में बात करते हैं बेटा, तो हैज हमारा थक जाता है और वो पीछे रुक जाता है और उसकी जगह पे हैव कहता है कि चलो मैं अपनी जो वॉक है उसको और ज़्यादा कंटिन्यू करता हूँ, फ्यूचर तक करता हूँ। तो इसको हम लोग एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे लेते हैं, शी विल, क्योंकि हमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब इसके साथ लेना है, शी विल हैव प्लेड चेस। Okay beta, this is an example for that. Let's make a rule with that. That is, she is a subject plus में helping verb, that is will have, plus में verb की third form, plus में object. Okay beta, like this she will have not, and in the same way you can just make negative and interrogative sentences with the help of what? With the help of what you are going to use? With the help of will, shall, that is helping verb, and with that we are using have, that is in the perfect tense. Okay beta, now let's move to the future continuous tense. 1 minute beta, marker is not working. Okay beta, now let's do future perfect continuous tense. Okay beta, now you see over there future perfect and then also continuous. When we were talking about the future perfect, we have used have, okay, that is with future we are going to use will and shall, okay, and over here in perfect will and shall we have used over here there, and with this perfect continuous verb first form plus में ing. Okay, now how you are going to do this? For example, let's take she will have. Now again what you are going to do, you are using two, future perfect and continuous tense. Okay, in that case you are using two type of tenses. So what you are going to do over here beta, you are going to adjoin this with the help of been. What is this? Been. Usually we used to, whenever we used to adjoin the tenses, we used to use been over there, and here also you are going to use the same thing. She will have been playing chess, and that is plus में time, as I told you in my earlier classes. Okay beta, now let's make a rule regarding that. That is subject plus में helping verb plus में being plus में verb की first form plus में ing plus में object plus में time. Okay, like this beta we have completed all the three tenses in 2 or 3 segments, and like this if you are working properly on the tenses, it not only enrich your grammar but also help you in your writing skills and also make you attain good marks in your examination. Thank you very much students. Have a nice day.